Hello again, and thanks for tuning in. So we're still in our geometry kind of unit section, and today we're talking about area. Okay, if you haven't already seen it, check out the volume on perimeter. Check out the video on perimeter and the video on volume. Okay, those are three connected videos. So area. What is area? Area is the size of a surface. Very simply put, the area of space that a surface covers, okay? So this is my mouse, this is my trackpad. It has a certain area that it covers on the table that I have it on here, right here, okay? So what is that space that covers? How do we find that out? The simple formula for area is length times width. You need two dimensions. You know, you need the tall, you need the wide, okay? That's it, length times width. Length times width. Remember that. So what's our area of this rectangle? Our area is 4 times 8, right? So 4 times 8 equals 32. Okay, now this is kind of cool. There's 32. We can count it. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 30, 31, 32. I didn't need to do that. Boom, there it is. 32 squares. Now, the way that we write this is going to be our area is 32 centimeters squared with a 2. Okay? Because they're full centimeters, you know, so each square has a 1 centimeter length, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter, 1 centimeter. It's a square. They're 32 squares, and each length of each square side is 1 centimeter. So it's a 1 centimeter squared. And that's how you write it. 32 cm, and we know it's centimeters because it's 4 centimeters by 8 centimeters. 32 cm squared. That is the area of this rectangle. Okay, so again, when you are finding the area of a surface, you can always create a grid and you can count the squares. So what's our area of this square? Okay, well, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. So we have 5 times what? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 5 times 7 equals 35. Right? 35, and we'll just stick with centimeters. Centimeters squared. 35 centimeters squared. That's all you have to do for area. Length times width. Length times width is area. Remember that. Okay, so we'll continue. Here we go. This is a rectangle, right? We have a clear rectangle, and it's outlined, and let's say it's 3 inches by 5 inches. Okay, well, what's the area of the rectangle? 3 times 5 is 15, and it's inches, so 15 inches squared. Area of that rectangle, 15 inches squared. Okay, now this gets cool. Every geometry video, I tell you guys I love geometry. Guys, I love geometry. Ladies, I love geometry. So this is not a rectangle. So what do we do here? Can we multiply 10 times 5? No, why not? Because look, this is all, you know, there's nothing here. So why don't we create 2 rectangles? Okay, and let's problem solve here. We're going to carry this line down. Oh gosh. So how do we know the different measurements? Okay, this is 3 centimeters, right? From here to here, and this is 5. So we know that that's 15, right? So this is 3 times 5 equals 15 centimeters squared. We know that. And we know this length from here to here is 5. Oh, but look, it gives us this. That length is 3. So what's 5 minus 3? 5 minus 3 is 2. 2 centimeters. Check that out. 2 plus 3 is 5, and it equals right here. And then 10, we know this whole side is 10. We know this is 3. what is 10 minus 3? 10 minus 3 is 7. So we know this is 7 centimeters. So check this out. 2 times 7, right? 2 times 7 equals 14 centimeters. So our total area is going to be this rectangle plus that rectangle. So it's 14 plus 15, and that is 29 centimeters squared. And watch, we can do this. This is 3 by 5. 1, 2, 3, and we got 1, 2, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. Okay, notice that's 15 squares, right? And then here we had 7 and 2. So 1 and 2. 1. That's 1, 2, 3, 4. 5, 6, 7. 29 squares. You can pause your screen right now. You can count those squares. It's 29. Oh goodness. There. Now it's 29. Now we have 7. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. So that would be 14. 7 times 2 is 14. And then over there you got 15. So guys, that is how we find area, and we can deduce, we can subtract, and we can make it happen. All right. So the area of a triangle. How do you find the area of a triangle? Of a right triangle. Okay, so let's write this here. Right triangle. Notice this is a right angle, so we know it's 90 degrees. So 6 times 8 is area. Let's find the area of the square. Area of the square. 6 times 8 is 48. 48. Well, look, this is half of that, not square, but half of that rectangle. So let's divide it in 2. 6 times 8 divided by 2. Okay, 48 divided by 2 equals 24. So that's 24, feet squared, 24 inches squared, 24, whatever. But 24, 6 times 8 is 48 divided by 2, 24. Okay, and again, how do we find the area of this triangle? Look, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. So it's 6 times what? 1, 2, 3. 6 times 3 equals 18. So if we were to count all of these squares right here, that would be equal 18. But it's not all those squares, it's half of those squares. So let's do it. Divided by 2. 18 divided by 2 is what? It's 9. 9 is our answer. This is the area of this right triangle is 9 squared units. 9 units squared. All right, guys. This is our video for the area of a surface. Okay, of squares, rectangles, and then here we did area of a right triangle. So if you have any questions, let me know. I'll be happy to make you more videos. I'm here to help. I'm here to serve you. So have a great day.